Good evening, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Deal. Today I'm gonna break the box from Certified Sports Cards, and this is Series 17 Multi Sports that I got it from Black Friday. I had total 7 boxes and few multiple sports and baseball and basketball, and I couldn't get football because it was sold out. Anyway, today I'm gonna open one multi sports buyback pack from Certified Sports Card. Normal price was $39.95, but I had a 30% off on Black Friday, so it's just amazing deal. I couldn't pass it on. But here is the first box, and next couple of days I'm gonna open all 7 boxes. So as usual, they have a really good stuff for the price. And this is Series 17 Multi Sports. Hey, pack 1 of 25. And featured hits is Patrick Mahomes, rookie card, and Chris Bryant, and Trey Young, and all this football, baseball, basketball hit including, and the packs. So first, got 4 packs. 15 Prism football. I never seen this pack. What is it? 2013 Marquee Panini NBA card, and 17-18 Status basketball, and 18 Top Series 1. So here you go. I'm gonna open the pack first. This print is it's not clear. Trumbo. Aaron Judge. Base. Metcamp. I guess it's a Metcamp card pack, because first cut was, where's Metcamp? Yeah, there you go, Metcamp. Grade 8. I think it's 83 design. A Tube Philly. Oh, nothing special. Nothing exciting. That's baseball. I got 2 basketball. Let's open the 15 Panini Prism. Hey. I got die cut here. Yeah, actually 2 die cuts. What? 15 Prism. I never had a 2 die cut. Kaepernick, hope he got the job though. I don't know. So cannot say right or wrong, but Marshall Air, Big Ben, and next one is Cam Newton. I don't know what happened to Cam Newton this year. Two good quarterbacks die cut. Marshall. Not numbered though. So it's okay hit. And rookie card. Mariota. Now they are playing right now. And they're winning. It's a base rookie card. Mariota. I thought had to get better, but look at this centering. Centering is so bad. Wow, this is one of the worst centering card I ever seen in recent years. Jesus. That's that. So 17-18 Status. I know Certified Sports start packing is a hobby packs, but I'm not sure it's all hobby packs or not. Dang, that's a huge filler right here. Wow, look at this. Jesus, really? You don't have to feel that thick, you know. There was Devin Booker, Reggie Jackson, Klay Thompson. I like their design though. Golden Hayward out of 299. I don't see much difference, but I guess it's out of 299. 46 out of 299. Not a bad card. Rookie is Markel Fultz. Not number based though. Okay, I got one rookie card, one number card. Yeah, it's Smart Queen. It's 2013 NBA. I don't know who's in 2013. Cards are all thick. Daquan Cook. Holy shit, it's very thick card. Rookie Kendall Marshall. The design is so weird. Michael Kidd. Rookie. Kenneth Farid. Kevin Love. And look at this card, so thick and nice. Hey, Curry. 2013 Curry card. And Mark. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. This fourth year of Stephen Curry. Mark Gasol. Fifth year, and Rudy Gay. Trade to Raptor on January 3013. It's a nice card though. Okay, here's a bunch of packs. I already see autograph hits here. Jordan Crawford, RPA, rookie ticket, contender patch. Nice patch. Look at this. Atlanta Hawk. And the autograph a little bit, you know, the ink is fudged out, but I love this patch. Nice. Is it number? Oh, it's not number. It's 2011 Panini. It's a nice card. Jordan Crawford. I heard about him, but who is this? Ryan Skimp. And is this San Diego 2017? San Diego Padres. Ryan. It's not a rookie card, is it? It doesn't say rookie card, but he had a 2016 season. And stats, yeah, it's okay, 20 home runs and stuff. But it's own card autograph, Stadium Club. And the last one is Jalen Samuel, running back from Phoenix. It's a Phoenix card. It's 34 out of 75. Pittsburgh Steelers. 2018 Panini. Yeah. Never seen him play though. It's 2018 Panini, so I think now Connor is playing for Pittsburgh, right? He's a rookie. So I love this card. Not a huge name, but it's good. And I got two more. And next one is Demetrius Jackson, Celtics, RPA. Is it RPA? No, it's It's not a rookie card, it's a Prism. 11 out of 25. And it's got 2 color but 2 green strips in the zone. It's a nice card. I love it. And Prism 11 out of 25. It's a nice card. I'm telling you, this certified got they always. I mean, I didn't get. Whoa! Look at this. Panoramic Prime. Elliott. It's got that little huddle jump. And 51 out of 99 with a little patch. It's got that sewing and 2 blue stripe. It's a nice patch. A little small, but could be better. Look at how thick this is. Jesus. I love this thick patch auto card. This is a hit of this box. I mean, I like the other cards too, but Elliott. I'm not a big fan of Dallas, but it's a nice card. 2018 Absolute Football. Great card. It could be nicer if got the autograph, but hey, I'm happy with a nice patch over here. So that's it. I mean, I'm happy with this first box break out of 7 boxes. And you know, big names: Elliott, okay name Demetrius Jackson, yeah, Jordan Crawford with a nice hawk patch on it, and this Marquis Stephen Curry, Michael Kidd. I love this card. So that's it, guys, and thanks for watching. And let me comment below if I miss anything, and you know, please subscribe, follow, or comment, and I'll open more boxes, you know, this weekend and next week. So you'll find out what I get from the certified sports cards this time. And have a nice coming weekend, and see ya. Bye.